Hey guys, this is Ikanshi. I hope you guys are doing great and amazing today. So this video is about a new website, Underk. And basically, if you guys remember, I have posted one of my Instagram story few days back in which I asked you guys to like and comment on one of my picture, like one of the posts which Underk has posted. And thank you so much that you all showed so much of love and you all have commented and liked that post of Underk, and because of that I won. And finally I received my gift from their side, which like this video is mostly about. So firstly I give you a little review of what Underk is and how, like, what is the collection all about and how I got this. So basically that's a very new clothing brand. They have they have basic casual t-shirts, like, if you're a person who love wearing casual t-shirts, and anyways, like, as quarantine here and we all are like staying inside our home, and we just we just prefer wearing cozy clothes, and prefer to sit back on our couch and just watch Netflix and chill and do nothing all day. So basically they have a very nice collection for that. And like, they have solid t-shirts, like they actually have it in all of the colors, all of the pastel colors, which I love the most. And they also have it like those printed graphic t-shirts and everything, so you can totally check it out if you like those kind of stuff. So basically the drill was, they asked us that we can select whatever we want from their website. So I got one t-shirt for myself, and I'll just show you guys. First of all, I want to give them credits for their packaging, which I loved. So it's this, and I mean, trust me guys, this is something really amazing because I just love the packaging. This is super cute. See, if you guys know me enough, you know that I'm a person who is totally obsessed with packaging, as I have like talked about the packaging in my previous videos as well. So thank you, Underk, for sending me such cute packaging. And I mean, I love it. So it's basically a can kind of a thing, which you just have to open the lid and you will get the product. So yes, it is a yellow color t-shirt, and it is an plain t-shirt, solid, because I mean, I have a lot of solids, but I didn't had it in this color, so I wanted this color. This looks something like this, and you guys must be thinking that, oh, this is such a huge size for me. But as I told you that even like, I am the person who just loves to be very comfortable and everything when I'm at home and all. So I always, like, whenever I buy these kind of t-shirts, I always prefer baggy t-shirts. So I buy, like, around one size up or two sizes up usually. So this is one size up from my size. So yeah, this is the t-shirt that I got for myself. So this is in size L, and this comes with a very cute bookmark kind of thing which says never judge a book by its movie. So yeah, it's really much interesting. And I must say guys that the quality is really good, because I have not expected it to be this good. Trust me, as a fashion student, I would say, like, I mean, I would literally give them like 9 out of 10 in this, because I totally love the finishing as well. I mean, if I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but the stitches and everything is just so good and so on point. So this is something totally thumbs up from my side. And I mean, there are just few things which I want them, like, just for a review. I just want them to make few like add-ons in their thing. Like, they should also come up with like even more interesting prints, so it will be like really good for their brand. Otherwise, if you have a love for solids and these like normal prints and everything, so you should totally go for this website. So yeah, basically this was the thing that I wanted to show you guys. And yeah, so basically this is it for today's video, and I loved it a lot. I really want you guys to go through their website if you also like solid colors and you want them, and you just want to grab all the solid colors at one go. And like, yeah, basically pastel shades, colorful colors and all of those kind of things, because it's really good for summertime. And also when you are home quarantine and you are like really, bored, or you're feeling sad that you cannot go out and everything, you can always cheer yourself up with some bright colors. Like, I mean, if you'll add some bright colors in your clothes, you'll automatically like tend up to feel energetic. So this is a really good idea. You can do this and you can totally explore this, and they are like already delivering. So yeah, I'll attach their link in the description box below. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like the review, and to follow me on Instagram, it's ikanshi_singhal, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Bye.